landscape, and today we're going to talk about a useful tool that you can use in your irrigation system that is called a rain gauge. And a lot of irrigation systems actually come with this built in. And of course, it's going to be a little bit fancier than this one. This one's an average garden rain gauge that people have for decoration or just to help them get totals for rainfall. But with your irrigation system, you can use this to know how much rain or water in your irrigation system you're actually getting, so that you're not overwatering, which can cause a slew of issues, and also so you're not underwatering, because you want to make sure, especially for our zone, that you're getting at least 1.5 inches of water a week. And you want to also make sure you're watering deeply and infrequently. So a rain gauge not only measures rain, it can also measure dew and mist as well. To get an accurate reading, you want to make sure and put your rain gauge in an open area. You don't want it near trees or near your house or anything like that. And then you want to run your system for about 30 minutes and then check and see in that amount of time how much water was collected. So through trial and error, you can figure out your flow rate and know about how long you need to water your irrigation. That's a rain gauge. Another tip that I can give you today is that if you want to check a lot of different places in your landscape to make sure that they're measuring accurately and similar, is you can actually take tuna cans or anything with a similar size and shape, and you can place 5 to 10 or however many you want in your landscape and turn your irrigation system on, and that will help you know within 20-30 minutes if they're all getting the same amount of water, or if you need to adjust your sprinkler heads. And if you ever need help with anything with your irrigation system or within your landscape or your lawn, just give us a call. We're happy to help. Thank you. Have a great day.